Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dito na naman ako maghatid sa inyo ng kwento tungkol dito sa Franklin Roosevelt Dime ng Amerika. Meron itong magandang kasaysayan si Franklin Roosevelt Dime sa kanyang panunungkulan bilang presidente ng Amerika ng kanyang kapanahunan. Ito yung kanyang history, guys, mga classmates. History, information, and values of 1968 is Norman Mark Roosevelt Dime. The 1968 Roosevelt Dime was made by United States Mint. This coin is made out of the clad materials, meaning that the outer layer is a mixture of copper and nickel, while the inside core is solid copper. The specific coin is going to bring a large premium because of the mint errors where the mint mark was left off. If you have this coin in a proof set, please contact our expert for verification. On the verse of the coin is text that reads liberty, in God we trust, and the date along the designer's GS initials. The reverse of the coin reads United States of America, United States of America, A pluribus unum, 1 dime. The obverse of the front side of the coin features President Roosevelt, President Franklin Roosevelt, while the reverse of the back side of the coin shows a torch in the center with 2 branches surrounding. Our old coin experts can tell you what any rare coins is worth. The Roosevelt dime typically does not have any rare dates or mint marks. However, there may be coins that are rare due to errors or mint inconsistencies. So yun guys, ang kanyang history information, at dito naman tayo pupunta sa gray sheet catalog details. Roosevelt dimes were first struck in 1946 and designed by John R. Sinnock, debuting only months after Franklin Delano Roosevelt passing in 1945. The Roosevelt dime was deemed a fitting tribute to the man who fought a disease diagnosed as polio and helped establish the March of Dimes organization. While President Roosevelt are generally regarded as a series jokes full of common coins, there are several challenging surprises in store for those who focus their attention on this long-running series, the 1949 Day Mint Mark and the 1949 East Mint Mark and the 1950 East Mint Mark are surprisingly taught coins in the mid-range mint state grades. Meanwhile, the 1963 double die reverse and the 1964 double die reverse varieties are 2 of the more difficult pieces to acquire. One of the most popular Roosevelt dime varieties is the 1982 No-Fee Mint Mark, which can be found in the circulation and even with wear is worth a sizable premium over piece value. The 1982 no-mint mark Roosevelt dime is especially valuable in main state grades. The 1996 W. Roosevelt dime was offered only in 1996 and circulated sets and is one of the scarcer late-date business strikes of the series. Regardless of date, bull bonds or FB Roosevelt dimes, which show complete horizontal lines on the bonds across the torch of the rivers, are valued by enthusiasts. Both 90% silver in 1946 to 1964 and copper nickel in 1965 at the present or FB Roosevelt dimes are scarce and command substantial premium over similar graded and non-FB specimen. The 1968 10 cents no-S fruit or Roosevelt dime with PCG's price over 40,250 US dollars. The 1968 no-S proof dime is a modern rarity and one of the most dramatic errors that man has ever made. The errors in this case, with PCG's number 5245 at tumitimbang ito ng 2.27 grams at mayroong ginawa na 2,845,450 pieces, kanyang mintage, at ginawa doon sa Philadelphia Mint. Ang metal naman niya is 25% and copper naman is 25%. Nickel over pure copper centers with auction records of 456,000 US dollars. Nabenta noong September 8, 2019 sa Heritage Auction at mayroon siyang grado na PR68. So yun guys, ang kanyang history at nabenta ito sa Heritage Auction noong September 8, 2019 ng 456,000 US dollars at mayroon siyang gradong PR68. So ganito kaliit na pira ng US guys, yung tinatawag na 1 dime ay napakalaking halaga ang kanyang kapalit sa panahon ng Heritage Auction noong September 8, 2019 at nabibenta siya ang ganong kalaki, 456 US dollars ang kanyang halaga. So maraming salamat guys panonood at huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone.